If you think you can't find anything under $1 million in Redondo Beach, I am going to show you a complex where you can get something for just shy of $900,000. I'm Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. And if you want to know everything about living in the South Bay and LA area, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for notifications. And if you have any questions about the South Bay, LA, great restaurant recommendations, all of our information is in the description below, and we are here to help. So today I am at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1,500 square foot townhouse in the El Nido neighborhood of Redondo Beach. And if you want to know everything about North Redondo Beach, I will link above a community tour so you can check that out. So this property was built in 1979 and it could use a little sprucing up, but for $900,000, it's so hard to find something in a great school district. And this is in the Redondo Beach Unified School District. You go to Washington Elementary, Adams Middle, and Redondo Union High School. This unit is in the Ocean Gate complex and there are 56 units in it. You have an attached garage and it's 3 stories. So you do have 2 bedrooms, but you also have a large bonus space downstairs with laundry, and it has so much potential. Right now you do have the popcorn ceilings and it's a little dated, but with a little sprucing up, it would be so cute. You also have this patio that's right off the living area, and this is a great living space, especially for $900,000, a nice outdoor space. You do have new laminate flooring in the downstairs. There is carpet upstairs, and I would say the biggest pitfall is that it's only 1.5 bathrooms. So the 2 bedrooms upstairs have to share a bathroom. You do have a powder room right over here and a little wet bar area, and the kitchen is super cute. Could use a little bit of updating, but these are good cabinets. You could just paint these and it would look super adorbs, although wood is coming back in. So now let's head upstairs and check it out. You have a nice large primary bedroom, and as I mentioned, you do share the bathroom with the other room. So it's a Jack and Jill situation. You don't have a walk-in closet, but you do have quite a bit of closet space. And the second bedroom is also, I mean, the rooms are a really nice size. You have the vaulted ceilings. So it's a great starter home for sure. And I know everybody's always like $900,000 starter home. I don't set the prices, trust me. It's crazy to me also. And then you have the bathroom that you share here. The neighbors did say that there may be a possibility to add a second bathroom, and you do have space right here. Obviously there would be a cost that would be associated with that. So that is our tour. This gives you an idea of what you can get for under $1 million in Redondo Beach, and whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, or you just have some questions about the area, you need a place to lease, all of our information is in the description below, and we are happy to help, and we will see you next time.